In our previous episode, we demonstrated on how to download and add mods to the correct folder in Trackers of Europe 3 in your smartphone step by step. Today, we are taking it to the next level. I'll show you how to apply those mods to your track and trailer so that you can see them in action. Make sure that you are in your game. You need to click on the track dealer at the bottom right of your phone screen. And then you need to click on the customize button. It will take you to this page. On top of your screen, you can see some options starting from the chassis, cabin, engine, and now the colors and the skin. You need to click on the colors and skin. On this bottom section, you can see the plus icon with a red background. You need to click on it, add a new skin. And then these are the mods. The mods that you have installed in your Wonder folder, which I showcased in the last episode, are displayed here. You need to click any. Maybe I want to install the red one. And you can see that my track is white. Okay. The yellow one, I want the yellow one. And then what I need to do next is just load the skin. It has applied on my track. You can see that my track is now yellow. If I want to change it to another skin, I'll simply click the red one, and then I'll load the skin. And now it has changed the skin, which I can confirm. I am satisfied that the skin looks amazing and it's appealing to my eyes. I need to just click the confirm, and that should be it. This is my new skin on my track. And it is as simple as that. Happy gaming, and make sure that you follow us.